Madam Speaker, at this time, I'd like to yield 3 minutes to my good friend and the chairwoman of the Subcommittee on Technology Modernization, and also the author of this important piece of legislation, Susie Lee from Nevada.
The gentlewoman from Nevada is recognized.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. I want to thank the chairman for bringing this bill in front of the House, and I stand today in support of Senate Bill 785, the Commander John Scott Hannon Veterans Mental Health Care Improvement Act. In addition to making critical updates related to the VA transition, assistance, mental health care, and care for women veterans, this bill also includes an important provision that I championed here in the House in the form of the VA Telehealth Expansion Act, which would provide entities with grants expanding telehealth capabilities to serve veterans throughout the VA. We know the stat that over 20 veterans take their life by suicide each day, and not one suicide is acceptable. And many of those veterans are not accessing VA care. And we know that telehealth is another venue to allow those veterans increased access. And whether a veteran is homebound, in a rural community, in a community without access to a VA clinic or a hospital, or, as we've seen now during this pandemic, at high risk of dying in case if they catch COVID-19. This pandemic has shown us just how critical it is for our veterans to be able to access health care through telehealth. In my home state of Nevada, in just 1 week, that Southern Nevada began responding to the COVID-19 pandemic, the number of veterans in the Southern Nevada healthcare system who had telehealth visits, the number was just under 150. Fast forward to just the week of July 19th, we were providing over 2,000 video visits to veterans in their homes via the VA Video Connect. That means that the telehealth video visits increased by over 1,000%. It's abundantly clear that telehealth has provided improved access in healthcare for so many veterans, and we must continue to invest in the VA's telehealth capacity. And Senate S785 does just that. Before I yield the balance of my time, I just want to give a special thank you also to Congressman Rowe, ranking member, for his leadership on this committee. And it was without a doubt, I've only been working with you for 1 term, but without a doubt your commitment to our veterans, and I want to thank you for your service. And with that, I yield. Thank you.